Hello and welcome to my shop. Today is going to be a very short one. I want to talk to you about this thing here. I've been wearing this for a while now, and I would like to share with you what my thinking is on this. And I don't use all the features, but this is the Katz Mozes apron, which is really heavy duty. So that's the first thing I like, heavy duty. But comes with a drawback. Being so thick and heavy duty, it makes me sweat, especially where I'm located here in Georgia. The summer is really hot and humid. Right now it is still 80 degrees in the shop and it's raining outside. The big door is open and I'm still sweating. I don't know if you can see here in the back, and I'm sure behind this I can tell. So I'm wet. But anyways, so that's one plus heavy duty, which is nice, but you sweat, or I sweat. I don't know if you are lucky or not, but I'm not. I like the pocket here, and that's the only one I'm using here is for my pencil. I usually also have a Sharpie here, but actually I've never used the little pocket. There's something in here. Yeah, been looking for that thing for a while. I couldn't feel it here. That's a punch, but it was in here. Nice to see, but I didn't lose it. I've never used the pocket for the knife because I don't have a fancy knife, so I just use here box cutter. That works plenty good for me. I use it here in this pocket right here, and then I have a tape measure in this pocket here, which is nice is you don't have to look find your stuff. I like this. There are tons of other pockets which I've never used. The attachment in the back is sometimes painful, but there's nothing you can do about it. Plus, that's probably because I'm fat, that it doesn't help. But no, I love this thing. It's great. The only thing I actually don't like is this pocket here. Why? That's because, and we'll come back to that in a second. If you have a combination square that you put in this pocket right here, and you're like me, you don't put it in the middle, so here it's as far back forward as you want to go. It sticks out very much here, and then I bump into stuff, and maybe bump into my project and make a dent. I don't like this. And if you have it the other way, like this, or even in the middle like this, you stick it back, and the location is really nice because you can find it without looking. But with these corners here, which are sharp, when I work, and probably maybe because of my belly that is in the way, but I scratch my arm. Right now I don't because I've solved this problem, but scratch my arm every time. And at the end of the day, sometimes you're bleeding. That's not good. So I came up with that thing, which is a holder for the square, which I've 3D printed. So it used to go back towards the bottom like this, and then you stick it in here, and it encapsulates both sides of the blade, and you stick that in your pocket here, and you can use the button. So now I can rub it as much as I want because of the corners I have here. I'm not scratching myself. I can tell, but I'm not scratching myself. And in the same way, here it's might dent a little bit, but a lot less my project. So I like this, and I'm gonna show you how it works on the computer. And you can either take everything, put it back like this, or just take it back, and you don't even have to take it out of your pocket. Just sorry, it's sitting right here. Of course, when you want to try in front of a camera, that doesn't work very good. Here, and then the buckle here goes back on here. Sometimes it's not easy and you can get used to it. I'm not very used to it still, but this is much better. I'm not scratching myself as bad, and that's what I wanted, because I do stuff and I scratch myself or I bump into something with my belly. So yeah, this thing, the Katz Moses apron, works great. Really heavy duty, but myself as well. And this pocket here messes me up, especially the top here. Not as much the bottom, I'm not paying attention, but the top. So that's why I came up with that thing here. And it's been working for me. Like it. That's 3D printed. 3D printed. Nothing fancy. I'm gonna put the link in the description below if you're interested. I'll attach the link in the description of this video so you can find this thing if you want one. But myself, I like it. It makes the apron a lot better, at least in my opinion. So that was a very, very different one, but I've never done product review. It's not really product review, just to show an improvement here. Take it or leave it.
So this is it on the computer. That's the holster here. There's a combination square, and you see the combination square fits inside, and it encapsulates here, well, around the corners here and here, everything, and then it follows the pocket here, and then it gives you enough space to put your fingers and grab it. So yeah, that's what it is. That's what it is. And you see it fits in there, and yeah, it's rounded, so it doesn't mess you up. And that's the nice part about this.
And thank you for tuning in. I'll catch you later.